All right, guys, I'm fixing to take y'all up on top of my camper. Here I guess it's been June. I think it was June we did this. I put a whole new roof on the back on this thing. I've put a whole new back in this thing. I've tore this camper on the whole back side of it apart. I'll show you in a minute. It needs cleaning up. We're getting ready to take another camping trip here next weekend. I'm gonna get up here and do my yearly inspection. Even though I just put a roof on it, I know I did. I think it was June I did that. I am going to get up here and I always check all the seams, make sure there's no cracks, no water can get in. I'm going to take y'all on top and show you. It needs to be probably cleaned again. If I do that, I'll show y'all. I'll show the cleaning of it and make it just show what all I do. Anyway, we're going to go up on top of it and I'll show you what it looks like. I always come up here and inspect these seams to make sure there's no opening for water to get in them. It needs to be cleaned. Lord, it is really dirty up here where it's just been sitting. We haven't used it but once this year, and that was in March. So I'm gonna, like I said, I get up here and check everything. I always make sure these are good and tight. I like these things because you can open your vents and they don't let water in. But I always get up here and check all of these, make sure there's no cracks or anything for water. I tore this whole section off last June, had to replace the plywood. This whole center section here that we're looking at, it had rotted all underneath this thing here where it had busted and water got under it. So like I said, I pulled all this off and put a whole new roof on it. So, and it still looks good. I mean, this is all new. Like I said, I get up here and look. So I'd rather be safe and sorry because I don't want to do it again. And I put this on there, this Max fan. I really like this one. It is pretty awesome. I like the way it comes up and works. It's very quiet. I would buy it again for that one. It's really cool. Anyway, yeah, all the seams look good so far. All this looks good and still tight. This is one major seam here because all this water runs down and hits. And man, it really still looks good. Yeah, it really still looks good. It just needs a good scrub, and man, it is filthy. So I'll probably get set up here in just a little bit and show y'all, let y'all see me washing it. I'm getting footprints all over it, just being up here this morning. You see all my footprints. And I'm gonna get my little pressure washer up here. I got a little, I think it's called a green. Well, it's called green something. I'll show it to you in a little bit. But I'm gonna get it set up here and get set up, and I'm gonna scrub and clean the top of it. All right, guys, we're up here on the roof. I've got all this stuff out now. It's called Greenworks. Man, that's the best little thing. There's a little 1700 watt pressure washer. I can put it up on top of the camper. Very, very handy for doing this. I mean, makes this job so much simpler. Anyway, I'm gonna get up here and do some scrubbing. I'm gonna set y'all up while I'm scrubbing, see if y'all can see some of what I'm doing anyway. You can see do a little scrubbing on it. Use that stiffer brush for getting the heavy stuff off. Straighten this up a little more. So to kind of give y'all a visual, you can see what it looks like here. And that's what it looked like up there, but now look at it up here. You can see my footprints, but it makes a big difference, and it keeps it from putting black streaks down the side of your camper all summer. So I get up here about twice a year and do this, at least every spring, and sometimes in the fall too, just to, like I said, it keeps the black streaks from being on your camper. I'm gonna scrub that front just a little bit more up there. That bird poop don't come off so well. So I use this stiffer brush for that kind of stuff. right, as you can see, the biggest difference. Now look at this, guys. It's a big difference compared to that. So that's what I'm up to. I'm going to finish this thing up. I just want to bring you up and show you the things I do on this thing. It's about a quarter of the way done, so I'm going to get on it and see if I can finish it up, and I'll show y'all some more stuff about it later. Thank you, guys.